Welcome to DOCONCHAIN. Now that you have logged into your DOCONCHAIN account, it's time to get to know more about the platform. Starting off on our homepage. On the left panel, you will see our doc solutions. Starting off with the doc sign, which allows you to create, sign, and send out your documents. Templates allows you to upload and save preset forms for future use. Verify instantly authenticates your documents to know whether it was tampered or altered outside the platform. Vault lets you store and organize your completed and signed documents. And Contacts, which allows you to save frequent signers and important contacts. Below you can see the chat box, which lets you reach us out if you have any questions regarding our platform. You may also retract this panel for better use of the space. On the middle portion, you will see the DocSign dashboard, which contains numbers that represent your active documents. These are the documents that are waiting for you to sign, waiting for others, for your validation, and your drafts. You may also see Doc Verify shortcut where you can start uploading and instantly checking the authenticity of your documents. Lastly, you see three buttons which represent different functionalities. The first one is for all your organization invites. The second one is for all the notifications on the actions taken inside your DocOnChain platform. And the third one contains your account information on DocOnChain. This is also where you can access your billing, account settings, organization settings, and your logout button. That's it for DocOnChain homepage. See you at the next video. Thank you.